what are you doing?
I am making
Are they like
cupcakes in a mug. Yeah, these are not mugs,
or
but
cake,
I like.
cake in a mug, I guess.
Yeah, it's a serving of cake.
So what all you gotta have?
You gotta have cake mix of any kind. I just use
Just like
whatever I buy. Yeah, this is Devil's Food.
Devil's Food
Cake mix.
Okay.
Just dry cake mix, and you do 3 level tablespoons in each mug. And in this instant, cup. I'm not sure what you call these little servings deal.
Yeah.
But it's just perfect for this deal. A handle would be nice. Because it does get hot. Alright, 3 tablespoons. Okay. Level, I call it level.
Of any cake mix.
Of any cake mix, really. I don't know about angel food cake or nothing, but anyway, that's what I use. And then I use a tablespoon of water. You can use Coke or juice, whatever you want. Put a tablespoon.
Tablespoon of water for 3 tablespoons of cake mix.
1 tablespoon, yeah. And then I put, I'll say a tablespoon of, I usually just guess this, but because I'm doing this, a tablespoon of chocolate chips. Okay.
The second one was more heaping, so it's mine, right?
Oh, yeah. Well, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't tell what I was doing there. And then I stir it up. Stir it and stir it. Stir it till it's wet. And just make sure most of it's down there.
Okay.
And then take it into the microwave. Clear it. And then I hit time bake. Oh wait, that's wrong.
Clear it.
Time bake, and then 45 seconds and start. And then let it cook, and while that's doing that, I'll stir this one up.
45 seconds.
45 seconds. According to your microwave, but mine's 45 seconds, and I'm not sure what power it's on. Mine's 1,000 water. But I'm not sure if I got it on medium or whatever.
High, probably.
Yeah, but 45 seconds is what the recipe called for, and it works fine for mine. I got it off Pinterest.
You wasn't supposed to say that. You're supposed to say I was smart enough to figure it out myself.
Well, it came from an ideal that I...
2, 1, here we go.
Alright.
So it's...
And it is hot.
So it's just like a baked cake. So we need a something to put it out here with.
Pad or something, yeah. I just get a hot pad and have it ready because it is hot. There it is.
Okay, and you're going to put the other one in?
Put the other one in.
And let this one set for a minute or two?
Yeah, I let them sit for...
Thing is hot.
And you can put sprinkles on them if it's... you can't hardly see them with the dark cake mix, but I like to put sprinkles for the kids.
Yeah.
But this is good.
Yeah.
But you can use... you could mix half and half, like make 1 mug. You know, you could mix them up and then put the white on the top, and it almost looks like ice and put the sprinkles on top. Put a little bit of the yellow cake mix.
Yeah.
We've used white cake mix and then so far Devil's Food. That's...
Yeah.
And you can just make a cake whenever you get ready to. You can use whatever chocolate chips you like. I would like to try white chocolate, but don't have any.
Well, that's an easy...
That's an easy dessert.
Easy
and
cake, that's for sure.
I usually make this and then let it sit while we're eating, and then eat it in a... Yeah, eat it afterwards. And it's still warm. There's 2 cakes, but I figured I didn't put the sprinkles on, but you can before you bake it. And
2 cakes in 2 minutes.
yeah, you can put icing on them. You can do anything you want to, but it's just so easy and so simple. Better than baking a cake and heating up your house. And there you go. I got these wash the bowl, and you can use Dixie cups, those little 3-ounce Dixie cups.
Yeah.
And put them in there, and then you just throw them out.
You want to put in the one just to see what it looks like, or show them what it looks like, or you want to wait?
Probably pretty hot, but you can.
We can wait.
Which one is the one that I baked first?
That's the one with baked first.
Okay. There you
Try it.
go. You know, you try it. You like it. That's yours. It has more chocolate chips in it. And sometimes I'll put more chocolate chips back on top. And let them melt. That way you think you're getting
See if we can
some.
get this in the line here. That's a pretty good looking cake.
Oh, and it's soft.
It's
And
soft and chewy. It's just a cake.
it's just good. And it's easier than that mug cake that you have to put an egg and oil, all that
Cake with
measuring.
chocolate in.
Yeah, I'll put some chocolate chips back on top of yours.
Ow, that thing is hot.
It's still hot. That's my cake. It's hot.
Alright. There we go with some sprinkles on top.
And do that before you bake it. I didn't do it till after.
Oh, you're supposed to do it before you bake it?
Yeah, so they'll stay in the cake, you know.
Oh, really?
Instead of
Yeah.
rolling around everywhere, but
If you wanted them on there. Yeah.
if you want them on for the kids.
Alright. It's
They don't show up too good in a dark.
Gigi's stolen recipe for microwave cake.
Cake muffin, yeah.
Microwave instant cake.
Unbelievable. I don't know. I didn't know about that.
Alright. Just let you know that was good. So the review on it's pretty good too.
Yeah, mine's empty too.
2 empty cups.